All right, what we're making today, we're making some fish broth to go into a fish stew that I'm gonna make. So I have half a yellow onion, 2 jalapenos, half a carrot, a whole bell pepper, about 6 cloves of garlic. And then I'm going to add my fish pieces. So I have some leftover fish head, frozen fish head, as you can see right there. Parts of the body, things like still has the bones in it, frozen. So we're gonna thaw that out. And let that get let that defrost for a minute. And yeah, so as we all know, we got our trusty measurer. We're going to add 3 ounces of the King's brand grapeseed oil, CBD infused. One. Two. Do I have enough? Gotta make some more, huh? Okay. That's 3. And then when we make the stew, we're going to add some olive oil to it, so everything will be infused. All right. I really just want fish flavor from this, so I'm not going to add any like onion powder, garlic powder, or other additional seasonings. I'm going to add some cooking wine, some mirin, and I'm going to add some rice vinegar. Okay. But I'm going to add that when I put the water in. Okay. All right, everybody. This is a gallon of water. Really? 3/4 of a gallon. That's what we're going to do. Okay. So, we're going to add some cooking wine, which is some mirin, tablespoon of that. Going to add some rice vinegar, probably about half a tablespoon of that. Right there, maybe a little more. There we go. Then I'm going to add some heat. I know I already have jalapenos in there with the seeds, but those will cook off. I'm going to add another ingredient. Give me just a second. I'm going to add a tablespoon of chili garlic sauce. See that? All right. So now we're going to bring this to a boil for about 2 hours and then strain, and we'll be back. All right. I had to change spots, but I had to submerge the heads and the fish body and everything like that. So now that that's there, we're gonna turn this on You have an electric stove, medium high. I'm putting it on 8. Let this continue to go for an hour and a half, 2 hours. And yeah, come back. It's already fragrant. Already smelling like the fish market. We'll be back. All right, it's been an hour and a half. You can see the richness of that broth right there. Give me a second, let me empty it out. All right, this is it. The fish broth. Look how rich that is. Only at the King's brand. Goodbye.